us the spring had long since gone, our youth was long ago, and even summer passed us by. The sun had lost its glow for us, the autumn was our time, when love came in full bloom, and life for me forever changed when you walked in the room. This autumn love came late in life, the way that autumns do, and yes, it was a sweet surprise, both for me and you. We never saw it coming, but we found love somehow, this special